child today. Jolly Phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly Phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly Phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly Phonics, for every child today.
Hello again, jolly children and parents at home. You are welcome to another edition of our Jolly Phonics video learning sessions. Before we begin our sound lesson for today, I would like us to review some of the sounds that we have already learned. I'm going to do some actions and I would like you to tell me what sounds accompany these actions. Are you ready? Okay. The first one. Do you know what sound that is? Ah, that is correct. How about this one? Do you remember? Very good. One more. What sound is that? That is fantastic. Okay, are you ready for our session for today? Let me begin by telling you a story. Jolly, jolly children, story. Rita's puppy is very naughty. One day, Rita left him all alone at home. And when she came back home, he had ripped apart her rag, saying, "Rrr, rrr." Can you try ripping apart a rug like Rita's puppy? Let's do it together. Rrr, rrr. What sound did Rita's puppy make? Rrr. Shall we say that again? Rrr. Okay, children, this is the sound rrr. Say it again. Rrr. And the action for rrr is to shake your head back and forth violently like you're a puppy ripping apart a rag. Let's try it again. Rrr. Very good. Okay, I want to show you how to write rrr. Shall I show you on the board? Let's go. To write rrr, you start from a point, make a downward stroke, go up on the same line, make sure you leave a little gap, and then you make a robot arm. Shall we try that again? To write rrr, you start from a point, make a downward stroke, come back up on the same line, making sure to leave a little gap, and then you give it a robot arm. Shall we try that one more time? Okay. To write rrr, you start from a point, make a downward stroke, up on the same line, make sure you leave a little gap, okay? And then you give it a robot arm. Fantastic. Let's try writing with our magic pen. Can you put up your magic pen? Okay, watch me. To write rrr, you start from a point, make a downward stroke, go back up on the same line with a robot arm. Shall you try that with me? Let's go. To write rrr, we start from a point, make a downward stroke, go back up on the same line with a robot arm. Fantastic. Let's try writing rrr in our Jolly Phonics Pupils Book 1. Here is my pencil. To write rrr, you start from a point, make a downward stroke, up on the same line with a robot arm. One more time. We start from a point, make a downward stroke, up on the same line with a robot arm. Now let's try doing it by ourselves with no guide, okay? To write rrr, we start at a point, make a downward stroke, up on the same line, making sure to leave a little gap, okay? With a robot arm. Wow, fantastic. You can do the rest in your exercise books. Let's move forward. Who would like to blend some new words? Okay, let's go. I have a whole new word for you to read today. Shall we try blending the sounds to read the word? When I place my pencil on the sound button, I want you to call the sound out loud with me. Can we try it together? Okay, let's go. R, a, ts. Again. R, a, ts. A little faster. R, a, ts. Now let's blend it even faster. R, a, ts. R, a, ts. Rat. Can you try that at home? Rat. Again. Rat. A little faster. Rat. Rat. Fantastic. Let's try blending one more word. Here we go. When I place my finger on the sound button, call out the sound with me, okay? Let's go. R, E, P. R, E, P. A little faster. R, E, P. R, E, P. Rip. Okay? Rip. Faster. Rip. Once more. Rip. Okay, fantastic. You all did great. Let's move forward into our sounding section. Do you remember? I'm going to show you 4 pictures and I want you to identify which one does not have the sound R in it. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a picture of a rabbit. Can you say rabbit? Rabbit. Can you hear the sound R in rabbit? Fantastic. Where do you hear R in rabbit? Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end? At the beginning. That's good. How about this picture? This is a picture of a dress. Can you say dress? Dress. Can you hear the sound R in dress? Fantastic. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end? At the middle. Okay. Now we have a picture of an egg. Can you say egg? Egg. Can you hear R when you say egg? No. Okay. So let's cross egg out. I will do it here. Cross that. Fantastic. Now our last picture is a picture of a rock. Can you say rock? Rock. Okay. Can you hear the sound R when you say rock? Yes. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end? Great. It's at the beginning. Fantastic. Now that we're done with our sounding section, can you bring out your exercise books at home? Let's practice writing some sounds. I'm going to call out some words for you, and I want you to try writing them down. Are you ready? Okay. Here is your first word. Ran. R, a, n. Ran. Rest. R, e, s, t. Rest. Should I say it again? Okay. Ran. R, a, n. Ran. Rest. R, e, s, t. Rest. Fantastic. Okay, jolly children, I hope you learned something today. I know I did, and I know Inky did. Before we close, we're going to move forward to our jolly song. But I want to say bye-bye for now.
See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
Jolly phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly Jolly phonics for me and you.
S for sun, A for ant, T for tennis, E for ink, P for pat, N for nip. Jolly phonics for me and you. K for cat, A for egg, H for hen, R for rat, M for man, D for dad. Jolly phonics for me and you. G